We have a trader standing by to talk about all of the action. Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives is joining us. Tim, big news on the inflation situation out today. What's the likely effect on the stock market?
Well, we talked last week, and I was a little bit bearish, certainly on the NASDAQ names. We've had that pullback. We're now kind of back within the old trading ranges. So, barring some red hot inflation numbers or dismal, which I doubt, I think we'll remain range bound probably until the end of summer here. So more of a trader's market. The only one worrying sign we're seeing is a continuation of that inverted yield curve. 10-year yields heading lower, shorter end heading higher, now getting to extremes that have, signaled recessions or worse in the past. So we'll see what happens, towards the end of the week with the inflation numbers coming out.
Are traders buying the dips, or is money just rotating around the market?
I think, you're seeing a rotation in stocks out of the higher beta names into the safer low beta names. Certainly, looking at Bitcoin and the like, risk off to say the least recently here. So I think people are kind of hunkering down with more of the value stocks versus the growth. I think that will continue as well, given the big outperformance we saw in growth, and these shorted names have finally calmed down. The speculation in, the AMC's, Bed Bath & Beyond's got to extreme. So I think that kind of signal at the top as well. So going forward, probably more of this big range, no change. So be more of a trader than an investor and wait for a pullback towards the lower end to be a buyer longer term.
Traders are talking about the meme stocks, GameStop, AMC. Would you buy or trade any meme names?
I wouldn't touch these names anywhere near here. They'll probably pop around, but I think the highs are pretty much close to in on most of these names, given the speculative fervor we saw over the past week or so.
All right then, Tim, thank you so much.
You bet. Anytime, Edge. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.